Are you ready? Stand by.
Hi, what's up sa inyo mga kaboom-boom? I'm Anders, EMT by heart, and again, enthusiast. So welcome back to my channel. So bago tayo magsimula sa ating video, shoutout muna sa iyo, Ivan Jan Yao. Salamat sa panonood and suporta. Sana ay magustuhan mo itong video nito. Thank you! So meron tayong ipe-press check at ito ay isang Daewoo DP51 na isang 9mm pistol manufactured by SNT Daewoo or formerly Daewoo Precision Industries ng South Korea. It is yung export version ng kanilang K5 service pistol na ginagamit ng mga South Korean military. Itong DP51 is known for its fast action trigger mechanism kasi meron siyang solid alloy frame and maganda yung kanyang ergonomics. Pero itong pistol lang to ay hindi na ini-import kasi meron ng updated version na manufactured by Lionheart Industries under the name ng LH9 Regulus and ng Vulcan. So halika kayo at i-testing natin sa firing range. Napaka-solid ng DP51 kasi it uses a fast action or double action plus system kasi it allows the hammer to be decocked but keeps the mainspring compressed. So yung first shot mo, meron siyang double action pull length pero meron siyang single action na weight. So the pistol can also be fired in traditional double and single action mode. Firing! Ayun at nasubukan natin ang Daewoo DP51. All goods ito para sa mga collector at sa mga enthusiast na na-appreciate yung mga unique design. So si Daewoo DP51 ay isang excellent, reliable and well-made pistol. Goodbye!